Welcome back. In this lecture we're going to talk about adding style sheets, and I have imported this style sheets folder here, and I don't even have to apply the whole style sheet because you've already learned what the main thing of the whole course is here. But for editing the style sheet, for editing styles, it's not a big deal. You don't have to worry about it now, but we're just gonna add one style sheet from what I made. I'm gonna add the main style sheet, and I'm just gonna use it right here. You can use self.set style sheet, and you just pass in the style sheet, which is of course a string, but is written in that syntax. You can see that it's just a neat little style, but not that big of a deal. But you can pretty much use this anywhere. You can add a new book, you can add it and stuff. So that's about it for this project right here. You can choose to remove it if you don't like it. You can do anything with this. And as you can see, there are some anomalies here. The one that I wrote it for, it was a little different program, so it may not work here. You can play around with this if you want to. If you don't know, it's okay. We can even remove it. You can tweak with the width argument here somewhere for the push button, and you can even remove it. That also looks neat. So that's about it for the main GUI project for our Python application. And I hope that you have learned a lot in this section, because this was also important to create this GUI application, because you programmed a lot. It was not just about the designing of the things, but you learned to create the functions yourself, to run the loops and to work with classes and convert them into dictionaries, and this basic stuff that leads to doing more major and important stuff. And congratulations on making it this far, because by now the main bulk of the course is over, and if you can do this, you can pretty much do anything looking forward. You can learn anything in programming related to computer science. So, and if you were a beginner, I'm pretty sure it was a hard journey if you were a total beginner, and I understand that. So congratulations on making it this far, and let's move on and learn more things. But there are two other things left. We're going to talk about MongoDB and software engineering principles, which will let you build your own applications yourself in a more sophisticated way, a more simpler way, without making any errors. So I will see you in the next section. Congratulations on making it in this section, and I'll see you in the next section where we'll talk about working with databases and MongoDB.